guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. It is so good to see you. You look good, girl or guy, whoever you are, you look amazing, and I'm so glad you're here. So today is going to be a really quick video. I'm going to be showing you how to make some alterations to your clothes so that they look good, because that is an underrated satisfaction for you to wear your clothes and feel beautiful in them. So sometimes you buy something at the store, it looks really good on the mannequin, and then you put it on and you feel like a literal sack of potatoes. We've all been there. It's fine. Sometimes the clothes just don't work for you as they come, and it's completely okay to chop them up, get rid of the toxicity, and keep what makes you look good and feel good, because it is so nice to wear something and feel so amazing and confident and beautiful in it. So I'm going to show you 3 simple tricks that I use to just make things fit a little bit better on my body type, and maybe you can try the tricks for yourself, the tips, the tricks, whatever you want to call them, and see how they work for you, see how you like them, and if you don't like them, just leave them. It's completely okay. Clothing is definitely subjective. Like, what works for you may not work for me, and vice versa, but there's no harm in trying it and seeing what works for yourself. So jumping right in, there's a tank top. I love the color, but the fit is not exactly my favorite thing in the world. Like, for my tank tops, I like for the straps to be a bit wider apart. I just feel like that's more flattering on my body type. And the straps on this one are too close together. It pushes up my boob fat quite a lot. And the bits at the side, that's completely normal. I don't know. I've just felt really insecure about this for a really long time. And I've been following a lot of body positive influencers on Instagram, and they are saying it's completely normal. It's completely natural for some fat to accumulate here when you wear a bra, a top. It's completely fine. So I'm okay with it, but I feel like in this top, it's not exactly flattering me in any way. And also, it's too long. It just engulfs me, and not in a good way. I just disappear in the top, and I want to shine. I want to wear the clothes. I don't want the clothes to wear me. So what I'm going to do to this tank top is I'm going to add a V-line hem. And this is something I picked up from Katie Yu's channel. Like, she talked about this, and my mind was like, why have I never thought of this? Like, a month ago, I made a top and it had the V-line hem, and it looked so good. And I was like, this is cute. So when she mentioned it, after I done it, I was like, this makes so much sense. Accentuating your waist just to make it look like you're really snatched, and then your hips look bigger in comparison, especially if you don't feel like you have hips. I think this is such a helpful trick. So basically, I just added a V-line hem to this top, and I also chopped off the top because the straps are not working for me, and that's completely fine. So I got rid of her. Her toxicity was at the door. I didn't care where she went as long as she wasn't in my life anymore. So once I done that, I have this tube top with a V-line hem that looks super cute, and I love it. I do wish I'd made the V-line a bit deeper, because I feel like this one kind of gets lost in translation. But that's okay. I can redo this with another top. But I just thought that was a tip I could pass forward because I thought it was genius. And KTU, thank you so much for that tip. And I hope you try it for yourself and see how it works. So for my next item, it's this slip dress. And I love this slip dress. It has this cute hearts on it. It's so cute, especially over like a turtleneck for fall. But I don't think the fit is that flattering, mostly because it just makes me look like a box. It's just straight down, and I don't like that. So I'm going to add a bit of tightening around the waist. And how I did this is I picked up this TikTok hack, and you basically add safety pins to the side of your dress, and then add a shoelace and tighten it around your waist. No commitments need to be made to this method. It's temporary, and if you don't like how it looks, you just don't use it. But I like how it looks. I think it just adds a bit of definition around the waist, and especially if your waist is the smallest bit and you want to accentuate that and not get lost in your clothing. I think this is such a helpful tip because it just looks good. It looks good. And even if you feel like your waist isn't the smallest bit, this makes it look like it is, because it just snatches it right up and it looks really cute. And I'm so happy I came across this trick because it's really helpful, especially for those dresses that are a tad tad bit bigger, and you just need some snatcheroo on the waist. So this is such a helpful trick. I'm so glad I know it, and I hope you're glad you know it too. Please do try it. Let me know what you think. I just think it adds a bit of pizzazz and sexiness to a really basic dress. So it's okay to wear it as it was before, but this is like, I'm ready for that ring, honey. I'm showing you the waist, I'm showing you the curves, and it looks good. So yeah, I just like this a bit better. But hey, there's occasions where I just want to look like a box, and that's okay. It's completely human. So for my final hack, it is basically taking a jacket that's too long and cropping it. It's the most basic bitch move, but it's basic and it works, okay? There's a reason it's so popular. Just cropping it just makes it look so much nicer. And I know there's instances where you want to wear a big oversized jacket, and that's completely fine. But in this instance, I wanted the jacket to cut me off at my smallest point, which was my waist, because I feel like before I kind of disappeared in the mix. I got lost in translation. I was like, who am I in this jacket? I'm getting lost, baby. So it's because it just goes straight down, and it just doesn't work, I think. But sometimes that's what you need. Sometimes you're catching a flight, you don't care about shape, you don't care about being seen, and that's fine. But in this instance, I decided I would just crop this jacket. And as you can see, once I cropped it at my waist, you can now see my hips. You can see them shine and look beautiful. And the waist is just there, looking snatched as ever. What waist? She's been missing for years, okay? There's definitely a reason cropping is so popular with the Pinterest girls on Instagram. It's because it just highlights a small waist, even if your waist is not small, and your hips look bigger in comparison, and it looks cute. There's a moment that happens when you crop something, and it's a beautiful moment, and I personally love cropped stuff. So do try it with your oversized jacket, your oversized sweatshirt. Just crop it. See the difference it makes, and see if you like it. See if you like that style a bit more, and if you don't, that's completely okay. So yeah, cropping is really my favorite thing. I do feel like I got a bit carried away and cropped this jacket a bit too high, but we're not gonna talk about that. She looks cute. She is a moment. She's gonna look amazing in Instagram pictures. So yeah, I like her, and if you don't like her, why do you like hurting my feelings so much? Why are you like this? Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. There were some quick, simple alterations you can do to your clothes, and hopefully take your wardrobe to the next level, and you look cute, and everyone will be like, wow, where do you shop? You could literally be buying stuff from the thrift store and just do some simple alterations, and you look really good. So just learn how to make clothes work for you, not vice versa. Like, you're supposed to wear the clothes are not supposed to wear you, and that is on period. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have some tricks you want to share with us, make sure you drop them in the comment section down below, and I am sure a lot of people will appreciate them, me included. So do share your knowledge, and I really hope you found this video helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye.